Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on Please Stop Ruining Instant Noodle, please. Today we're going to be making something called Soboro, a dish that's usually served with rice, but instead we're going to replace it with instant noodle instead. This is a pretty simple dish where we make some ground beef, egg, cucumber, a soy sauce based sauce, mix it in the noodles, and you're ready to go. The ingredients that we would need to make this dish include ground beef, egg, cucumber, soya sauce, vinegar, sesame seed, sugar, and sesame oil. Alright, let's get started. First, let's focus on making the sauce. Grab a bowl where we can mix everything together. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, around 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a couple pinch of sesame seeds. Give it a quick mix and there you have it, our main ingredients to this dish. The longer you let it sit, the better it tastes. Next, let's prep all the other ingredients needed for this dish. First, let's cut around 1/4 of a cucumber. Let's slice and dice it up into little bite-sized pieces. Next, let's start boiling some water so that we can cook the noodles afterwards. Alright, next let's prep and cook the eggs required for this dish. Grab a pan, add a little bit of oil, and crack 1 egg into it. Break the yolk and let's spread out the egg as thinly as possible so we have some kind of an egg pancake. Next, for the minced meat, add around 100 grams of minced meat and let's cook it all up till it is thoroughly cooked. Add some salt, and optionally you can add a spoon of the sauce that you made in the beginning too to give it a little extra taste. And there you have it, our minced meat. Now that we have all the ingredients prepped, let's cook the noodles. While the noodles are cooking, roll up the egg and cut it into little thin slices so that it's easier to mix and eat together with the other stuff. And there you have it, everything that we need to make this dish possible. Now that the noodles are done cooking, make sure to rinse it under cold water so that it stops cooking. Grab a bowl and let's transfer the noodles over to it so that we can prep everything else. First, let's add a little bit of the ground beef that you cooked onto one side. Then we can add the cucumbers to the other third of the bowl. And finally, let's add the eggs to the remaining third of the bowl. There you have it. This is what we call a Soboro. All you have to do now is add a couple tablespoons of the sauce that you created in the beginning, and you're ready to go. If you like, you can add some sesame oil on top too to give it a little bit of a nutty taste. Grab your trusty wooden chopsticks and let's mix it all up together. Mix the noodle, sauce, and ingredients all together really well so that they get to know each other better, and then you're ready to eat and taste. The curly texture and shape of the noodles definitely holds all the ingredients together. It makes every bite a mouthful of noodles, ground beef, egg, and cucumber, making sure you taste everything at once and not eating anything a little bit at a time. Thanks again for sticking with me, and I hope you enjoyed this dish too if you give it a try. Let me know what you think also works with instant noodle in the comments below, and I hope to see you next time.